everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be working on a new set of coasters. Can't wait to see how they turn out. Look at that. I absolutely love them. So much detail and interest. Wow, you saw how I made those puddles, but yet each one is unique. They go together, but each one is a little mini piece of art. I absolutely love it, and I'm always partial to the golds, of course, and the blues. Those are my colors. I love them. Stunning. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.